good afternoon, good evening, or good night whenever you're seeing this video.
2010 Honda Accord EX.
Hey, what's going on, crew? Got another epic review for you guys. We're going to do a virtual test drive on this 2010 Honda Accord EX. I don't have to speak for Hondas. Y'all already know what Honda's all about. Reliability, accessibility, ease of repair, plenty of parts everywhere for them. So in this review, we'll go over the interior, we'll go over the exterior, and then if y'all hang tight for a little while longer, we're going to take it for a spin. Give you another perspective, another way to shop and buy. Y'all stay tuned. We're over here at ALH Automotive, LLC, in the Lake Jackson area of Tallahassee, Florida. I'll have their information down in the description, and we will go from there. Salute. Thank y'all for watching.
All right, crew, we're gonna go ahead and start this virtual test drive. We got this 2010 Honda Accord EX. Y'all stay tuned. First things first, it's just absolutely ergonomically friendly in here. All the buttons here for the climate control, for the radio system are within reach. Great job, Honda. The view lines everywhere are great. I love the wood trim here all the way around. Sunroof up top, can't beat it. So let's go ahead and take this thing on the road, give you my perspective, and come by ALH Automotive, LLC, the Lake Jackson area, Tallahassee. We'll have their information down in the description, and we'll go from there. First things first, you don't have to talk about Honda quality. You guys and gals already know about Hondas. They have proven themselves over and over and over again for their reliability, for their sensibility, and the ease of repairs and all that good stuff. The amount of parts available for these things is really nothing that you can't beat. A Honda is a Honda, point blank, period. First things first, in here, super quiet, super quiet. Low wind noise, low mechanical noise, and as you can see, the engine has plenty of pep in its step. You just can't beat it. So right here, we're going to go ahead and do a brake test on it. Coming down from about 55. Here we go. Feels good. Nice firm brake pedal. Of course, you already know the handling aspect of these vehicles. They do a great job of that. Just a great overall car. Here's the U-turn test. We're able to get it around there in one lane there. Here's a little bit of acceleration test. Feels good, sounds good. Great touches all the way around. Honda. And of course, you know their luxury brand, which is the Acuras. So it's just a well put together vehicle. The gauges are easy to see. The radio system's easy to see. It does have a 6-disc compact disc player here in the dash right here. Nice touches. Buttons have a nice solid feel to them. Simple interior. It's got this nice beige cloth interior, easy to clean. All right. So yeah, like I was saying earlier, you can't beat these Hondas for their track record. This particular unit is just absolutely pleasure to drive, and I think it'll work for you guys and gals just perfectly as an individual, as a business, as a family. We're gonna give it a turn circle test real quick one more time and head on back to the home base, to the dealer. Once again, ALH Automotive here in Tallahassee, Florida, Lake Jackson area. Smooth, strong acceleration here. Can't beat it. Brake tests. Pass. Alright, so in conclusion, the 2010 Honda Accord, basically, I'm gonna say it again, speaks for itself. They're legendary, great cars. And if you're looking for one in our area, Tallahassee, Florida, check the information down in the description. Thank y'all for watching.